Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic, Trigonometry Part 3. This is lesson number 15 and HW number 12. Dear students, today we will solve total 4 math from 9.1. At first we will solve 2 number math from 8 from 2. Here we have to prove that 1 by 1 plus tan square a plus 1 by 1 plus cot square a equal to 1. At first we will write left side. Here left hand side is left hand side is equal to 1 by 1 plus tan square a plus 1 by 1 plus cot square a. Now 1 by 1 plus tan square a plus 1 by 1 plus. Dear students, you know that opposite ratio of cot is 10. So instead of cot square a, we can write 1 by tan square a. 1 by tan square a. This is equal to 1 by 1 plus tan square a plus 1 by, in denominators we have to add 1 with 1 by tan square a. Here denominators is 1 and here denominators is tan square a. So LCM will be tan square a. 10 square a. Now if at first we will divide tan square a by denominators 1. If we divide tan square a by 1, then it will be tan square a. And tan square a multiplication 1 is equal to tan square a. Tan square a plus. Now if we divide this tan square a by this tan square a, then it will be 1. Now 1 multiplication 1, this is equal to 1. Now 1 by 1 plus tan square a plus, here 1, if we give multiplication sign, then we have to write denominators as numerator and numerator as denominators. So in upper portion we will write 10 square a and in lower portion we will write 1 plus 10 square a. This is equal to 1 by 1 plus tan square a plus, if we multiply tan square a with 1, then it will be 10 square a. 10 square a, it is t. 1 plus 10 square a. Here in these two fraction, denominators is 1 plus 10 square a. So LCM will be 1 plus 10 square a. Now if we divide 1 plus 10 square by 1 plus 10 square, it will be 1 and 1 multiplication 1 is equal to 1 plus. Again, if we divide 1 plus 10 square by 1 plus 10 square by, then it will be 1 and 1 plus 10 square, 1 multiplication 10 square is equal to 10 square a. Denominators 1 plus 10 square a and numerators 1 plus 10 square a and denominators also 1 plus 10 square a. So this equal to 1. We can cut numerator and denominators. And this is right hand side. So we can write this is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, dear students, we have solved 2 from 8. Now we will solve 9 number math. Here 9 number question is cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A equal to sin A plus cos A. We will write now left hand side. Here left hand side is equal to cos A divided by 1 minus tan A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot A. In this math, in right hand side sin A and cos A exist. So instead of tan A we can write sin A by cos A, and instead of cot A we can write cos A by sin A. Now in upper portion we will write cos A, and in lower portion 1 minus, instead of tan A we write sin A by cos A plus, in upper portion here we will write sin A, and in lower portion we will write 1 minus, instead of cot A we will write cos A by sin A. This is equal to cos A by, here denominators 1 and here denominators cos A. So LCM will be cos A. If we divide LCM by denominators and multiply by numerators, then it will be cos A, and here it will be cos A by cos A equal to 1 multiplication sin A equal to sin A. Plus sin A by, here LCM will be sin A. Now sin A divided by 1 equal to sin A, and sin A multiplication 1 equal to sin A. Minus, if we divide sin A by sin A, then it will be 1. 1 minus 1 multiplication cos A equal to cos A. Here we can write cos A multiplication. Since we have given here multiplication, so here we have to write these denominators in upper portion. That means cos A. And we have to write this numerator in lower portion. Cos A minus sin A. Similarly, here we can write sin A multiplication sin A by sin A minus cos A. Sin A multiplication. Here cos A multiplication. Now, if we multiply cos A with cos A, then it will be cos square A. Cos square A. And in denominators cos A minus sin A come. Plus, here sin A multiplication sin A, this is equal to sin square A. Sin square A. Now sin A minus cos A. Here cos A minus sin A exists, but here sin A minus cos A exists. So we want to write it as like as it. For that we can take minus sign in front of first bracket, and inside of bracket we can write cos A minus sin A. If we multiply plus cos A and minus sin A by this minus, then minus A minus A plus sin A will come, and minus plus minus cos A will come. Now cos square A by cos A minus sin A. Here minus and plus, this is equal to minus, and sin square A by cos A minus sin A. Now In these two fraction, cos a minus sin a denominators common. So here LCM will be cos a minus sin a. Cos a minus sin a. Now if we divide cos a minus sin a by cos a minus sin a, it will be 1 multiplication cos square a. This is equal to cos square a. Minus here cos a minus sin a divided by cos a minus sin a equal to 1 multiplication sin square a equal to sin square a. Dear the students, now this is equal to here cos square a minus sin square a. If we consider cos a as a and sin a as b, then we can apply formula a square minus b square. You know that a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. That means instead of this expression, we can write cos a plus sin a into cos a minus sin a. So in upper portion we will write cos a plus sin a into cos a minus sin a. And in denominators cos a minus sin a exists. Cos a minus sin a. Here cos a minus sin a and cos a minus sin a we can cut. Then only cos a plus sin a will be exist. And this is the right hand side. Here sin a plus cos a. So we can write this equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Dear students, we have solved 9 number. Now we'll solve 10 number. Number question is tan a into root over 1 minus sin square a equal to sin a. Here left hand side is tan a into root over 1 minus sin square a. Therefore left hand side is equal to tan a into root over 1 minus sin square a. This is equal to tan a into root over, you know that 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square a. First formula of trigonometry is sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. From this formula we can find it. Cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. So instead of 1 minus sin square a, now we can write cos square a. Tan a into, here root and square exist, so we can write only cos a. Now we know that tan a equal to sin a by cos a. So instead of tan a we can write now sin a by cos a. Cos a. Now we can cut this cos a and this is equal to sin a. Here right hand side is sin a. So we can write now this is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Dear students, we will solve now last math of today's class, 11 number. The question is sec a plus tan a divided by cosec a plus cot a equal to cosec a minus cot a divided by sec a minus tan a. Here left hand side is sec a plus tan a divided by cosec a plus cot a. Left hand side equal to sec a plus tan A divided by cosec A plus cot A. Dear students, here sec A plus tan A exists in numerator. We will take another expression sec A minus tan A in numerator and denominators also. Sec A plus tan A into sec A minus tan A. Now we can apply A plus B, formula A plus B into A minus B. In denominators, cosec A plus cot A exists. We will take another expression cosec A minus cot A. Cosec A minus cot A. Here cosec A minus cot A is not exist here. We will take this expression as extra. So, dear students, this is the solution number 11. Solution of 11 number math. We are solving now question number 11. Here cosec A minus cot A is not exist in this expression. In denominators we have taken this is extra term. So in numerators also we have to take this expression cosec A minus cot A. Here sec A minus tan A is not exist in numerator. We have taken this expression as extra expression. So in numerators also we have to write this expression sec A minus tan A. Now here we can apply formula A plus B into A minus B. If we consider sec A as A and tan A as B, then we can apply formula A plus B into A minus B. Therefore, we know that A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. So, here we can write sec square A minus tan square A and cosec A minus cot A. In denominators, here if we consider cosec A as B and cot A as cosec A as A and cot A as B, then we can apply formula A plus B into A minus B. That means A square minus B square. Here we will write cosec square A minus cot square A. Cosec square A minus cot square A. Sec A minus tan A. Dear students, you know that sec square A minus tan square A, this is equal to 1. So we can write 1 into cosec A minus cot A. And sec square minus tan square A is equal to 1. And in numerator also we know that cosec square minus cot square A equal to also 1. Sec A minus tan A. This is equal to cosec A minus cot A divided by sec A minus tan A. And this is the right hand side of this math. This is equal to right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Dear students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Now I am giving you SW. Our today's CW is your SW also. Today's SW number 12, 2 number math from 8, 9, 10 and 11 from exercise 9.1. Okay, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.